Alright guys, this is another update for you guys. It's now 9:10 officially. See, there's still snow in the windows, guys. Yep. The blizzard is still going on and the power's gone. Still. You can barely see anything out here. You can see some stuff out this window. You can see the snow is blowing through the windows. And the power lines are blowing too. You couldn't even see out over here either. Yep. The power's not even back yet. So there's no one over here on the gate. Can't even see out of this window either. See? The time's not on the even now. So we still have no power. Can you believe it? The power was supposed to be back by 9 a.m. But now it has changed because because I think they're now fixing it now. You can see a bit out here. I'm making a video. Anyway, so stay tuned for another update coming soon. So I really hope you guys like this video and we're clear. Bye.